Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss most repeated MCQs of botany and biology. These MCQs are very important in competitive exam like PPSC and FPSC. So please subscribe my channel for further videos. Which of the following constitute a fossil? The correct option is D. Stephen Jay Gould is a paleontologist who speculated that all of the organisms that ever lived on Earth, only percentage are still alive. The correct option is A. 1%. Which of the following statements hold true for fossilization? The correct option is D. An animal is more likely to become fossilized if. The correct option is B. The animal dies at sea and sinks deep. Which of the following statement is true? The correct option is B. Which of the following can be inferred from studying the fossilized skeletons of animals? The correct option is D. Paleoanthropology is the study of. The correct option is B. Fossils of early humans and their ancestors. A holotype is the option A is correct. A single physical example of an organism known to have been used when the species was described. Radiocarbon dating can help find the age range of biological specimens no older than 15,000 years. The scientific study of the structure of bones, skeletal elements, and microbone morphology is called. The correct option is A. Osteology. Which of the following is the largest virus? The correct option is A. Megavirus challensis. An icosahedral capsid consists of. The correct option is D. Both A and B. Hexagonal capsomers and pentagonal capsomers. The correct option is D. Both A and B. Which of the following has a complex symmetry? The correct option is A. T4 phage. The viral envelope is made up of. The correct option is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a helical virus? The correct option is A. TMV. Which of the following virus has the smallest genome? The correct option is B. Circovirus. Infectious RNA particles without protein coat are called. The correct option is C. Viridoid. The spike-like projections on the viral capsid are known as. The correct option is C. Papillomeres. Which of the following are the main functions of the capsid? The correct option is C. Both A and B. Restriction enzymes were discovered by Smith and Nathans. The correct option is A. Smith and Nathans. Bacteria protect themselves from viruses by fragmenting viral DNA with. The correct option is B. Endonuclease. Clean off fragments is derived from. The correct option is B. DNA polymerase 1. Southern blotting is. The correct option is B. Transfer of DNA fragments from the electrophoretic gel to a nitrocellulose sheet. ELISA is, the correct option is D, addition of substrate that is converted into a colored end product. The DNA fragments have sticky ends due to, the correct option is B, unpaired bases. Plasmids are used as cloning vectors for which of the following reason? The correct option is B, self-replication in bacterial cells. The Human Genome Project was launched in the year in 1990. The correct option is C. The expression of transgene in the target tissue is identified by, the correct option is D, reporter. Is used as a vector for cloning into higher organism. The correct option is A, retrovirus. Which bacterium is used in the production of insulin by genetic engineering? The correct option is C, that is called Escherichia. Excision and insertion of a gene is called, the correct option is B, genetic engineering. RNA interference helps in, the correct option is C, cell defense. The first transgenic plant to be produced is, the correct option is B, tobacco. Vaccine prepared through recombinant DNA technology are, the correct option is A, third generation vaccines. Which of the following is an example of homology and similarity tool? The correct option is A, BLAST. The term bioinformatics was coined by, the correct option is B, Pauline Hodgwick. Thanks to all of you